The Fujifilm X-E5 is one of the most anticipated camera releases, with leaks and rumors pointing to significant upgrades that could make it a game-changer for photographers and videographers alike. Will it live up to the hype, or is it just another incremental update? Today, we're diving deep into its potential features, sensor improvements, autofocus enhancements, and more. Stick around as we break down everything we know about the Fujifilm X-E5, from its expected release date to pricing, design tweaks, and cutting-edge technology. A legacy of excellence. Fujifilm's X-E series has long been a favorite among street photographers and enthusiasts who love the blend of retro aesthetics and modern digital performance. The X-E4 was widely praised for its compact size, film-like color science, and versatility. With the X-E5, Fujifilm has the opportunity to push this line even further with new technology borrowed from flagship models like the X-T5 and X-H2. Rumors suggest that the X-E5 will continue Fujifilm's tradition of delivering top-tier image quality in a rangefinder-style body. But how exactly will it stand out from its predecessors? Let's explore the biggest leaks and speculations. Autofocus. Major improvements on the horizon. One of the most exciting potential upgrades for the Fujifilm X-E5 is its autofocus system. Fujifilm has been making impressive strides in autofocus performance, with models like the X-H2 and X-T5 showcasing improved subject tracking and AI power detection. If the X-E5 incorporates similar advancements, users can expect faster, more precise autofocus for both photography and video. AI-driven subject detection, including humans, animals, and vehicles. Better low-light autofocus performance, reducing hunting and increasing speed. These enhancements could significantly elevate the X-E5's capabilities, making it a more compelling option for both professionals and casual users looking for an intuitive, high-performance camera. Sensor and image processing. A step up? At the heart of any camera is its sensor, and rumors suggest the X-E5 will feature the same 26MP X-Trans CMOS 4 sensor found in Fujifilm's higher-end models. If true, this would mean exceptional color reproduction, staying true to Fujifilm's legendary film simulations. Improved dynamic range, making it easier to capture details in highlights and shadows. Better low-light performance, reducing noise and enhancing clarity in darker conditions. Coupled with the latest X Processor 5, the X-E5 could offer faster image processing, improved noise reduction, and even better in-camera JPEG quality. This combination would make it one of the most well-rounded mirrorless cameras in its price range. Video capabilities. Is Fujifilm catering to hybrid shooters? While the X-E series has traditionally been photography-focused, the X-E5 is expected to make strides in video performance. Based on leaks, we could see 4K video recording at 30 frames per second, 10-bit internal recording for greater color depth, enhanced video autofocus, making it easier to track moving subjects. Although it may not compete directly with video-centric models like the X-H2S, the X-E5 could appeal to vloggers and content creators looking for a lightweight yet powerful camera. Design and build. Retro charm meets modern ergonomics. The X-E series is known for its sleek, rangefinder-inspired design, and the X-E5 is expected to continue this tradition. Speculation suggests a more refined grip for better handling, more tactile dials and controls for an improved shooting experience, a lightweight magnesium alloy build, keeping it durable without adding unnecessary weight. However, one area where Fujifilm might hold back is weather sealing. Traditionally, the brand reserves this feature for its higher-end models, so the X-E5 may not be fully weather-resistant. Lens compatibility. Expanding the Fujifilm ecosystem. A major selling point of the X-E5 is its compatibility with Fujifilm's X-mount lens lineup, which includes an impressive range of compact primes and versatile zooms. Additionally, rumors indicate Fujifilm may release new compact lenses alongside the X-E5, specifically designed to complement its rangefinder-style body. If true, this would be great news for photographers who value portability without sacrificing image quality. A streamlined camera lens combination could make the X-E5 even more appealing to street photographers and travel shooters. Connectivity and battery life. Keeping up with the digital age. In today's world, connectivity is key, and the X-E5 is expected to feature Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.2, ensuring faster and more stable wireless connections. USB-C charging. making it convenient for on-the-go power-ups. Improved battery life, possibly utilizing the NP-W235 battery, which would significantly extend shooting time compared to the X-E4. These upgrades could make a huge difference for users who rely on seamless image transfers and extended shooting sessions. Price and release date. While Fujifilm has not officially confirmed anything, speculation suggests the X-E5 will be priced around $1,000, keeping it competitive within the mid-tier mirrorless market. As for the release date, leaks point to a mid-2025 announcement, aligning with Fujifilm's traditional product cycle. If these projections hold, potential buyers will have ample time to plan their upgrade and consider how the X-E5 fits into their photography or videography workflow. Final thoughts. Is the X-E5 worth the wait? With all these rumors and leaks in mind, the Fujifilm X-E5 is shaping up to be a powerful, compact, and versatile addition to Fujifilm's lineup. If even half of these speculations prove true, the X-E5 could become a favorite among street photographers, vloggers, and hybrid shooters who want a mix of classic design and modern technology.